An appeal to overturn a constitutional court ruling on the election date suffered a setback on Thursday. The hearing for the case failed to take off following the absence of Justice Philip Waki sitting the three-judge bench handling the appeal. The appeal was filed by two lobby groups seeking to block the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission from setting the election date as ruled by the High Court. But the lobby group's lawyer Stephen Mwenesi faulted the Electoral Commission for undermining the ongoing court process, saying, quote, IEBC decided to go ahead of the court and make a determination, dismissing the lobby groups as a small group of women whose attendance of the court will be done with, end of quote. But IEBC's lawyer Feroz Norji shot up in defense of the Electoral Commission, stating that, quote, if my learned friend considers that he is free to attack a public body that was the first one to go to court, then we are justified to point out where their blame is, end of quote. The country is embroiled in a tussle over the March 4, 2013 election date set by the IEBC and a December 2012 election. U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Scott Gresham and Anglican Archbishop Eliud Wabukala have urged for calm.
We hope that people can avoid hate speech. We hope that people will choose leaders that have integrity.
They should not leave this important matter to the debate by Kenyans, because we have given them a duty to make sure that date is determined following the regulations and the law that our country has set up. In
a letter to the two principals, Gishugu MP Martha Karua challenged them to respect the country's election cycle.
Can the two principals show statesmanship by directing us in the right way, the way of upholding the rule of law, the way of reform, the way of listening to the will of Kenyans.
Meanwhile, the hearing on the election date challenge has been pushed to Tuesday next week before appeals court judge Riaga Omolo to give further directions. It is a false start for an appeals case seeking to amend a High Court ruling on the elections date, but already the Electoral Commission is gearing up for March 2013 elections, setting up strict timelines, beginning with mock elections in Malindi and Kajiado. Samogina, KTN, Nairobi.